Hi friends, go through the Department of Women and Child Department, Ministry of Women and Child Department, Home. Now, this is important public notice displayed. Important public notice ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. దీనిలో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏమంటే thus if any child is found to have lost parents to COVID with no one to look after them, the child out to be produced before District Child Welfare Committee within 24 hours, excluding journey time. ఎవరైనా తల్లిదండ్రులు చనిపోయినటువంటి ఉండి చిల్డ్రన్స్ చూసుకొని అనాథలైపోయిన వాళ్ళని ఇమీడియట్గా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చైల్డ్ వెల్ఫేర్ కమిటీ వాళ్ళకి ఇన్ఫామ్ చేయాలనేసి ఇందులో మనకి ఉంది. ఇది డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్లో చైల్డ్ వెల్ఫేర్ కమిటీ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లెజిస్లేషన్స్, ఉమెన్ రిలేటెడ్, చైల్డ్ రిలేటెడ్ అండ్ అదర్ లెజిస్లేషన్స్. In this notification also, recruitment notification also available, recruitment vacancy also available. I will show next. Women related legislation. This is women related legislations. Under committee reports, women legislations rules are available with English and Hindi. See, the Sexual Harassment of Women and Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, Handbook on Sexual Harassment of Women and Workplace, National Commission for Women Act, the Commission of Sati Prevention Act and Rules, Indecent Representation of Women. So all acts are available with rules also available in this website. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act rules. Now we download rules. Both English and Hindi is available. Zoom it. See, this is more Hindi version. English also I will, after scrolling this, see, this is English also available. Next, go through the child related legislations. Child related legislations. Please kindly subscribe my channel for legal updates, latest judgments also. See, this is child welfare legislations. Protection of child from sexual offences rules 2020 and other commission reports, rules, acts are available. See, the national guidelines on infant and young child feeding and the protection of children from sexual offences amendment act 2019. So all rules and legislations are available. Child Marriage Restriction Act 1929, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, Infant Milk Substitutes Act 1992. So all acts are available in this column. The Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Amendment Rules Act. Now download it. Juvenile Justice Amendment Act 2006. See, this is English version. One or two acts are only English version is available. Major acts are Hindi and English, both languages are available. Ready to get it print out. Next, go through the other legislation. This is other legislation. Amendment proposal in Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. Bill also 2006 bill, amendment bill. Immoral Traffic Prevention Amendment Bill 2006. Both are available in this website. Thank you viewers. Thank you for watching this video.